Good morning, dear students. In last class, we have discussed about how to calculate interest on partners' drawings under average period method. In that, we solved many problems. The partners withdrawn drawing amount at beginning of each month and at the middle of each month and at the end of each month. Today I am going to explain how to calculate if the partner is withdrawn fixed amount quarterly. When fixed amount of money is withdrawn quarterly by a partner, in such a situation, for the purpose of calculation of interest, the total period of the time is ascertained depending on whether the money was withdrawn at the beginning or at the end of each quarter. Quarter in the sense the partner withdrew the drawing amount 3 months once, either its beginning date of each month or at the ending date of month. For example, see the formula for calculating interest on drawing. Interest on drawing is equal to total drawings into rate into average period. In this, total drawings is equal to amount of drawings into number of periods. Number of periods means, come to the second point, calculation of number of periods at beginning and at the end of each quarter. For first quarter, there are 3 months, April, May and June. If suppose the partner withdrew beginning, that date is 1st April 2019. Then second quarter, July, August and September, the date of withdrawal is July 1st 2019. And third quarter, the months are October, November and December, the date of withdrawal is October 1st 2019. And fourth quarter is January, February and March, the date of withdrawal is January 1st 2020. This is the beginning withdrawal quarterly. And the total periods, suppose the partner withdrew 1st April 2019, it consists first quarter, then second will be 1st July 2019, then third will be 1st October 2019 and fourth will be 1st January 2020. It means first, second, third and fourth. Total 4 periods are consist for beginning of each quarter. Then come to the end of each quarter. Here is the month's first quarter ending date is 30th June 2019 because the financial year started 1st April 2019 to 31st March 2020. Here partner withdrew at the end of quarter. Therefore, April, May, June. June 30th he withdrew the sum amount. That's why the first quarter date goes to 30th June 2019. Then second quarter date is 30th September 2019 because July to September Then third quarter will be 31st December 2019 because from October to December 3 months, ending date is 31st December 2019. Then fourth quarter, at the end of quarter is 31st March 2020 because January, February and March, the date of withdrawal is 31st March 2020. Here also total periods 4. It helps to calculate the total drawings. Here total drawings is equal to, see the formula, amount of drawing into number of periods. Here total number of periods is same for both. It means beginning and ending quarter same periods. Beginning also 4 periods and ending also 4 periods. Then come to the average period. Interest on drawing equal to total drawings. Now you learn about how to calculate total drawings. The amount of drawings are there in the problem. Then number of periods, how to calculate, just you see the format. Then rate of interest is given in the problem. Then how to calculate the average period. Here also same formula, average period equal to largest period plus smallest period divided by 2. At the beginning, the financial year started at 1st April 2019 to ending with 31st March 2020. Here longest period, beginning of each quarter, the largest period is equal to 12, that is from April 1st 2019 to 31st March 2020. There are 12 months. Then a shortest period is equal to 3 months, that is from January 1st 2020 to 31st March 2020. There are 3 months, January, February and March. Therefore average period equal to largest 12 plus smallest 3 divided by 2, 15 divided by 2. 7.5 is the average period of beginning of each quarter. Then average period of end of each quarter is 4.5. See, average period equal to largest period plus smallest period divided by 2. At the end of each quarter, first withdrawal is started with 30th June 2019 because end of quarter in the sense every quarter ending date April, May, June. June 30th is a ending date. Therefore 30th June 2019 is a first withdrawal date. From 30th June 2019 to 31st March 2020 there are 9 months. It's the largest periods or months. Then shortest periods. Then last withdrawal is 31st March 2020. Therefore from 31st March 2020 to 31st March 2020 there is no months. Therefore the average period will be 9 plus 0 divided by 2. 4.5 is a average period of at the end of each quarter. Come to the example. See the question. S and M are partners in a firm sharing profits and losses equally. During the financial year 2019-20, S withdrew rupees 30,000 quarterly. Interest is to be charged on drawings at 8% per annum. Calculate interest on S's drawings if he withdrew at the beginning of each quarter and if he withdrew at the end of each quarter. Dear students, concentrate the problem. Mr. S and M both are partners in a firm. They share profits and losses equally. During the year 1920, Mr. S withdrew rupees 30,000 quarterly. The firm charges interest at 8% per annum. Then calculate the interest on Mr. S's drawings if he withdrew beginning of each quarter and at the end of each quarter. As here also same formula, interest on drawing is equal to total drawings into rate into average period. Then first we should calculate the total drawings. Calculation of total drawings. Total drawings is equal to amount of drawing into number of periods. Here amount of drawing equal to 30,000 because Mr. S withdrew rupees 30,000. Then number of periods at the beginning in the sense he withdrew 1st April 2019 first drawing and second drawing is July 1st 2019. Then third drawing is October 1st 2019 and fourth drawing is January 1st 2020. Therefore total periods is 4. First one April, second one July 1st, third one October 1st and fourth one January 1st. Here amount of drawing 30,000 and number of period 4. Total drawings is equal to 30,000 into 4, 1,20,000 rupees. Then average period equal to 7.5. As already I told about that average period equal to largest period plus shortest period divided by 2. From April 1st 2019 to 31st March 2020 there are 12 months. Then smallest period goes to from January 1st 2020 to 31st March 2020 there are 3 months. Therefore 15 divided by 2 equal to 7.5. It is a average period. Then come to the interest on drawing of Mr. S. At the beginning of each quarter we have rupees 1,20,000 total drawings. Then rate of interest is 8%. Then average period is 7.5. Therefore 1,20,000 into 8% into 7.5 divided by 12 equal to 6,000. Mr. S's interest on drawing at the beginning of each quarter is equal to 6,000. And at the end of each quarter, here also we should calculate the total drawings. Rate of interest is there in problem as well as average period. Here also total drawings same because he withdrew quarterly but at the end of each quarter. 30th June first withdrawal, 30th September second withdrawal and third withdrawal is Third withdrawal is 31st December and fourth withdrawal is 31st March. Here also 4 periods. Therefore, come to the average period. Here average period is equal to again largest period plus smallest period divided by 2. Here largest period equal to from 30th June 2019 to 31st March 2020, there are 9 months. Then smallest period equal to 0 because last withdrawal date is 31st March 2020. From 31st March 20 to 31st March 2020, there is no months. Therefore, average period will be 9 divided by 2, 4.5. Come to the interest on drawing. Interest on drawing of Mr. S at the end of each quarter is equal to 1,20,000 into 8% into 4.5 divided by 12 equal to 3,600. Yes, Mr. S's interest on drawing at the end of each quarter equal to 3,600. Therefore, total interest on drawing of Mr. S is equal to rupees 6,000 at the beginning of each quarter and rupees 3,600 at the end of each quarter. Total interest on drawing of Mr. S is equal to 9,600. Then here one more example. Calculate interest on drawing of P at 10% per annum if he withdrew rupees 48,000 at beginning of each quarter and at the end of each quarter. Yes, dear students, see the problem. Calculate interest on drawing of P at 10% per annum if he withdrew rupees 48,000 at beginning of each quarter and at the end of each quarter. Here also same, Mr. P withdrawal rupees 48,000 at the beginning of each quarter and at the end of each quarter. Then interest on drawing equal to amount of drawing into number of periods. Here amount of drawing equal to 48,000 because he withdrew rupees 48,000. Then number of periods equal to 4 because at the beginning 1st April first drawing and 1st July second drawing and 1st October third drawing and 1st January fourth drawing. Total period equal to 4. Then come to the interest on drawing at the beginning of each quarter of Mr. P equal to total drawing is 1,92,000 and rate of interest is 10% and average period is 7.5, that is largest plus smallest divided by 2. Therefore, 1,92,000 into 10 by 100 into 7.5 divided by 12 equal to 12,000. And at the end of each quarter is equal to, here also same, total drawings 48,000 into 4 periods, then average period is 4.5, that is largest and smallest divided by 2. Therefore, 1,92,000 into 10 by 100 into 4.5 divided by 12, 7,200. Then total drawings of Mr. P equal to at the beginning 12,000 rupees and at the end 7,200. Total interest on drawing of Mr. P is equal to 19,200. Dear students, then one more different method is there for calculating partner's interest on drawing, that is when varying amounts are withdrawal at different intervals or product method. We studied about average period method. In that, fixed amount is withdrawn at the beginning, at the middle and at the end of each month, as well as at the beginning of quarter and at the end of quarter. Now we discussed about when varying, it means different amounts are withdrawn by the partner at different interval or different times. For example, the partner withdrew in the month of April rupees 4,000, and again he withdrew at the month of June ending 2,000 rupees something. Then he withdrew 1st January 2020 rupees 2,000, and again he withdrew 1st March rupees 1,000, like that. In different time, the partner withdrew different amount of drawing. In that case, how to calculate partner's interest on drawings? Here is a formula for calculating interest on drawing under product method. Interest on drawing equal to total product into rate into 1/12. See the example number 1. Mr. A withdrew the following amounts from his firm for his personal use during the year ending 31st March 2020. Calculate interest on drawing by product method. If the rate of interest is charged is 7% per annum. See, dear students, Mr. A withdraw the following amounts for his personal use for the year ending March 31st, 2020. Rate of interest is 7%. Then he withdrew different amount from different months. See that he withdrew on April 1st, 2019, 16,000 rupees. And second drawing is he withdrew on 30th June 2019, 15,000 rupees. And his third drawing is October 31st, 2019, 10,000 rupees. And his fourth drawing is December 31st, 2019, 14,000. And his fifth drawing is March 1st, 2020, 11,000. He withdrew in financial year April 1st, 2019 to 31st March 2020, different amount and different month. Total 5 withdrawals are there. Then rate of interest is 7%. Here interest on drawing equal to total product into rate into 1/12. Then we should calculate the total products. See how to calculate total product. We have a date of drawing and we have a amount of drawing. Then we should calculate number of outstanding months and as well as the product. Come to the first drawing, date and amount. Date of drawing April 1st, 2019. He withdrew 16,000 rupees. Dear students, from April 1st, 2019 to 31st March 2020, there are 12 months. Therefore, outstanding months equal to 12. 16,000 into 12 equal to 1,92,000 product. Then Mr. A's second drawing is June 30, 2019. he withdrew rupees 15,000. Dear students, from June 30, 2019 to 31st March 2020, here 9 months, because here June month is not considered because ending date. Therefore, from July to March, July, August, September, October, November, December, January, February and March. There are 9 months. Therefore, outstanding months equal to 9. 15,000 into 9. 1,35,000 product. Then his third drawing is at October 31st, 2019, he withdrew 10,000 rupees. From October 31st, 19 to 31st March 2020, how many months? October is not considered because 31st date is there. Then November, December, January, February, March. There are 5 months. Therefore, 10,000 into 5, 50,000. Then his fourth drawing is December 31st, 2020. He withdrew rupees 14,000 at the ending date. Therefore, here only 3 months are considered from January, February and March. 14,000 into 3, 42,000. And his last drawing is at 1st March 2020. He withdrew rupees 11,000. From March 1st, 20 to 31st March 2020, only 1 month. Therefore, 11,000 into 1, 11,000 rupees. Come to the total products. 1,92,000 plus 1,35,000 plus 50,000 plus 42,000 plus 11,000. Total product equal to 4,30,000. In this concept, dear students, you should concentrate about withdrawals date. Date of withdrawal is very important in this aspect. Then come to the interest on drawing equal to total product into rate into 1 by 12. Then we have a total product rupees 4,30,000 and we have a rate of interest at 7%. Therefore, 4,30,000 into 7 by 100 into 1 by 12. 2,508 rupees is a interest on drawing of Mr. A under product method. Here and one more example for calculation of interest on drawings. Under product method, see the question. X and Y are partners in a firm. X's drawings for the year 2019-20 is given as under. Rupees 6,000 on 1st June 2019 and rupees 4,000 on 30th September 2019 and rupees 3,000 on 30th November 2019 and rupees 4,000 on January 1st 2020. Calculate interest on his drawings at 10% for the year ending 31st March 2020 under product method. Dear students, see the question. Mr. X and Y are partners in a firm. In that, Mr. X withdrew different amount of drawing at a different time. Then rate of interest is 10%. Then come to the calculation of interest on drawings of Mr. X. Interest on drawing is equal to total product into rate into 1 by 12. Then we should calculate the total product, date of drawing, amount of drawing and number of outstanding months and product. X's first drawing is June 1st 2019. He withdrew 6,000 rupees. From June to 31st March 2020. How many months? June, July, August, September, October, November, December, January, February and March. There are 10 months. 6,000 into 10 rupees 60,000. And his second drawing is September 30th September 2019. He withdrew rupees 4,000. Here September month is not considered because ending date is there. Then October, November, December, January, February and March. There are 6 months. 4,000 into 6, 24,000. Then his drawings, his third drawing is at November 30th 2019. He withdrew 3,000 rupees. Here also November month is not considered because ending date is there. Then December, January, February and March. 4 months. 3,000 into 4, 12,000 product. And Mr. X's last drawing is at 1st January 2020. Here January month is considered because opening date is there. January, February and March. There are 3 months. 4,000 into 3, 12,000. Then come to the total products. 60,000 plus 24,000 plus 12,000 plus 12,000. 1,08,000 rupees. Then come to the interest on drawing. Total product is 1,08,000 and rate of interest is 10%. Therefore 1,08,000 into 10 divided by 100 into 1 by 12 is equal to 900. Therefore interest on drawing of Mr. X is rupees 900. Thank you.